the Yurlunggur research facility, utilizing advanced bioreactors and precise robotic systems to produce
The morphology on sector gamma is stabilizing.
Cross-reference with the EGF output parameters. We need to confirm optimal density.
The automated system confirms high viability in the Yurlunggur cultures, a critical step for the dermal regeneration gels. Optimal conditions achieved, we can proceed with maximizing the epidermal growth factor production.
Flow rate is stable at 200 milliliters per minute.
Confirmed. No shear stress detected on the peptides.
Here at the Yurlunggur research facility, precise buffer solutions are essential for the chromatographic purification of extinct dermal regeneration gels.
Check the pressure on column 4. It's spiking past a threshold.
Rerouting the YG45 feed. The automated calibration should compensate.
A highly purified, pale golden solution containing the proprietary modal YG45 peptides.
The YG45 integration looks complete.
Confirmed. We are cleared for transfer to sterile storage.
Viscosity confirmed at 3,500 CPS. It meets the requirements for optimal absorption.
Look at the reduced disorganization compared to the control.
It's confirming the gel's superior regenerative properties.
The data is conclusive.
The throughput on the Regen-Max line is exceeding projections by 15%.
And the optical scanners confirm 0 defects on the last batch.
Cycle time remains optimized at 2.2 seconds per layer. Flawless execution. We are ready for wrapping.
The regeneration gel inventory is stable across all zones.
Confirmed. AGV-7 initiating transfer to Bay 4.
Welcome to the clinic. Morning.
Here is the Regen-Max delivery manifest for your signature.
Utilizing synthesized extinct enzymes, the Regen-Max offers unparalleled dermal regeneration, a true leap forward in skincare.
This is the Regen-Max applicator. Its unique properties accelerate cellular repair, working deep down to minimize scarring, as you can see here.
I can't believe the difference. The extinct dermal regeneration gel worked wonders. My skin is so smooth now.
Long-term scar minimization with extinct dermal regeneration gels. The scar is now almost imperceptible, faded to a bare...
Our advanced regeneration gels minimize scars, restoring confidence and freedom in every movement. A testament to the cellular repair capabilities of extinct dermal regeneration gels. The epidermal layers are...
Extinct dermal regeneration gels didn't just heal our skin, they renewed our confidence.
Best. Biotechnology, Reptile and Biotechnology, Yurlunggur, and Cellular.